Let's be honest, finding new real estate clients can feel like a full-time job. But what if the best growth opportunity is already in your inbox? The clients you already have could be worth twice as much without requiring double the work. Today, I am sharing how add-on services can transform your TC business and save you from the endless client acquisition hamster wheel. We all know the struggle, constantly hunting for new clients, dealing with the feast or famine cycles, wondering where the next contract will come from. But what if the easiest way to grow wasn't more clients? It was offering more value to the ones you already have. If we're speaking broadly, most TCs offer two core services packages: contract to close and listing coordination services. But even within these standard offerings, there's tremendous variety. Some TCs draft documents, while others don't. Some coordinate appointments like inspections, appraisals, and walkthroughs, while others leave that to the agent. And many TCs offer tiered service levels, like basic and premium packages, each with different inclusions and price points. This flexibility is what makes independent TC work so beautiful. You can truly design a business that works for you. Quick pause. If you are tired of the constant hunt for new clients too, tap that like button. And I'm curious, what's been your most effective way to increase revenue without adding more clients to your roster? Drop it in the comments. Your experience could be exactly what another TC needs to hear right now. Now, let's talk about specific add-on services you might consider. Today, I want to explore what else you can offer beyond those core services. What additional revenue streams can you create? How can you maximize your value to clients and your income potential? But before we jump into the list of add-on ideas, I want to emphasize something important. This is purely for inspiration. You don't have to offer any of these services if they don't align with your goals and strengths. Remember, the beauty of independent TC work is choice. You choose your services, your scope, and your prices. Use your imagination, but be strategic. Now, let's talk about the considerations you might take before adding services. When considering add-on services, keep a few things in mind. First, efficiency matters. If an add-on service takes too much time relative to what you charge, it might not be profitable enough to pursue. Second, leverage your existing skills. What did you do before becoming a TC? What formal education or training do you have? What are you already good at? For example, I have a background in accounting and I ran a bookkeeping business before becoming a TC. It made perfect sense for me to offer bookkeeping services for realtors and investors as an add-on. Maybe you have experience in marketing or graphic design. Those skills translate beautifully into value add-on services for real estate professionals. Third, consider your passions. What do you genuinely enjoy doing? The best add-on service are ones you are excited to provide. So let me give you some ideas. One, it could be the post-closing follow-up. You can assist with client gift coordination, testimonial requests, purchase anniversary emails, client birthdays, and other relationship building touch points. These help agents maintain connections with past clients, which we all know is crucial for referrals and repeat business. Another idea is marketing services. Social media management is an obvious place to start. Today's agents need a strong social media presence, but many lack the time or skills to maintain one effectively. With tools like Canva for design and Buffer or Later for scheduling, you can systematize this process to make it time efficient. Create a specific package with clear deliverables, perhaps offering a certain number of posts per week across specific platforms. Another idea is branding and presentation creation. You can help agents agents build a consistent brand by designing listing presentations, buyer or seller's guides, and personal branding materials. A cohesive professional brand helps agents stand out in a crowded market. You could also design marketing materials like open house flyers, postcards, just listed or just sold announcements, and more. You can partner with printing and distribution companies so you can offer end-to-end solutions without handling everything yourself. Another add-on service could be administrative support. Many realtors are drowning in emails and admin tasks. I recently saw a Facebook post from an agent specifically looking for a TC who could also manage their inbox. Consider offering services like inbox management and email organization, customer care, responding to website inquiries and social media messages, or database cleanup and organization. CRMs are very powerful tools for realtors. Their network truly is their net worth, but many don't have time to maintain their database properly. You could help set up automated drip campaigns to nurture leads, clean up contact information, and ensure agents are maximizing their CRM investment. Another thing you could potentially offer is event planning and coordination. Some agents host client appreciation events, networking mixers, or homebuyer workshops. You could help organize these events from venue selection to invitation management and follow-up communications. Another thing might be agent recruitment and onboarding for team. While you might not be doing the actual recruiting or training, you can organize resources, create templates, and establish systems they can follow consistently. This might be as simple as setting up a Google Drive with spreadsheets containing resources and checklists, or implementing more sophisticated systems depending on your expertise. Another thing you can assist with is automation and workflows. You can set up automated follow-ups, appointments scheduling through tools like Calendly, or integrate various systems to streamline agents' processes. Many realtors know they need better systems, but they just don't have time to create them. Another thing might be website updates and management. If an agent has a website but lacks the time to keep listings updated, add blog posts, or optimize SEO, this could be a valuable service. Many agents invest in websites but then struggle to maintain them. Another idea for you is client concierge services, and this is becoming more popular. You could potentially offer to coordinate all the logistics for a move. This can include utility transfers, updating addresses with various institutions, scheduling moving services, and connecting clients with home service providers in their new area. When buyers are overwhelmed with the moving process, having someone handle these details creates an exceptional experience. And agents who offer this white glove type of service through you stand out from competitors. And talking about moving, relocation services could be something very helpful for your realtors. For clients moving from out of state, you can provide customized area information packages, school research, neighborhood guides, and coordination with moving companies. This is particularly valuable in markets with high relocation rates, of course. So if one of these add-on ideas sparkle your interest, I would love to know which one. Drop a comment below, let me know which service you're considering adding to your TC business. And if you're finding value in these practical TC business strategies, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I share new ways to work smarter, not harder, in your TC business every week. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I actually implement these additional services without getting overwhelmed? So the secret is to choose one or two at the most add-on services that align best with your existing skills in with your client needs. You can work on processes, perfect them before you add more. I also encourage you to package strategically. Consider how these add-on services might be bundled with your core services, or maybe you will prefer to offer them as standalone options. Clear pricing and clear scope are a must. Also, I will suggest that you test it with existing clients. You can offer this new service to your best clients at a discounted rate in exchange for feedback, for example. This helps you refine your offering before marketing it widely. Document everything and create a detailed system and checklist for each service to ensure consistent quality and efficiency. This documentation will become invaluable as you grow. Remember, the goal of adding services isn't just to make more money, although it is certainly important, but it's also about becoming more valuable to your clients and creating a business that is fulfilling for you. Now, let's talk about a potential issue when offering these add-on services. If you don't structure these correctly, you might end up doing a lot of custom work. And as we said at the very beginning of this video, that might not be a good idea, as it will become time-consuming and unprofitable. So let's discuss how we can fix it, or rather prevent it. I actually recommend that you incorporate the concept of productized offers when creating these add-on services. For that, click right here.